Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all about a hair care routine. So recently I celebrated Holi with my family members after I guess 10 to 12 years, and I enjoyed it a lot, by the way. But after that I have noticed that due to holy colors my hair has got so much damage and brittle, and I can see some split ends as well. So I was looking for a hack so that I can regain the shine and the smoothness of my hair back. And I was scrolling so many hacks on the internet. I saw so many videos. So after scrolling a lot, I found one video on TikTok that immediately grabs my attention. So I thought, why not? I should document it and I should show you some results. So first I'm going to apply the same hack on my hair so you can see the live result, and then you can also follow the same process and make your hair soft and shiny. Okay guys, so first of all you have to rinse your hair well with the water and make sure your hair are completely wet so that it forms lather well with the shampoo. And then after making your hair wet, you have to take a sufficient amount of shampoo in your palm and then add the secret ingredient, that is coffee powder. And now you have to rub it well with both of your hands. And now after making this mixture, you have to apply this to the roots of your hair, and make sure that you do not apply the same mixture to the length of your hair because it actually damages the hair. And thereafter you have to massage well for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then you have to rinse it off with water. Now after massaging it for 2 to 3 minutes, you have to wash your hair with water. Now after rinsing it well with the water, now take a sufficient amount of conditioner in your palm and then rub it well with both of your hands and apply to the length of your hair. And make sure that you always use conditioner to the lower part of your hair and do not apply the same to the roots of your hair because it actually make your hair weak, and it causes dandruff as well. So do not apply to the roots. Then after 2-3 minutes you have to rinse it off with water. Okay guys, after doing shampoo and conditioner, you have to wrap your hair like this with a soft towel and leave it like this for 10 to 15 minutes, and then air dry your hair. Do not use a dryer because it actually damages your hair. So avoid using that. In winter I can understand you need that, but in summer, like nowadays summer is around the corner, so you can do air dry your hair, and after air dryer I'll show you the results. Okay guys, so finally my hair is 70 to 80% dry and I did air dry. So now I'm gonna apply leave-on to my hair, and after that I'm gonna comb my hair. You just have to rub some serum to your palms and then apply to the lower end of your hair, not to the roots because it damages your hair. So after applying it, I'm gonna comb my hair. And I think my hair are now more smooth and they are looking quite shiny. So I think this hack works like a wonder, and it is just after one wash. But if you do the same process every week, then your hair will become more soft and shiny. So this is a good hack. So I'm gonna suggest everybody to apply this to your hair, and it is completely natural. You just have to wash with your shampoo and conditioner. What you have to do is to have to add some coffee powder to your shampoo while doing shampoo. And so my hair are looking quite shiny and soft as well. So this is a good hack for me. And that's it for today. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.